Guys, as I was saying before, this is pretty standard, this remote. It comes with a lot of birds. This one has some kind of button on there. Sometimes it comes with 2 of these. But this, I remember there was another brand that I really did not like. Oh, whoa. It comes with 3 extra batteries? That is awesome. What the hey? That is cool. Comes with 3 extra batteries. So 3 batteries for this little plane. This works with the 4 AA's, I think. Anyway, I won't talk about the other bird that I bought that has this remote, which sucked. But the remote is cool. It's just that the bird that it came with was not that good. Anyway, I'm hoping that this is going to be fantastic. And again, it came with 3 batteries. I love them. Thank you. Thank you, Banggood. And hopefully it flies as well as it looks. Man, this looks awesome. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.
Likey.